In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase download speed in Brave browser. To get started, open your Brave browser. We'll make a few quick adjustments that can help pages resolve faster and keep your system focused on the task of downloading. First, open the main menu. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three horizontal lines to reveal Brave's options, then choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's Control Center, where we'll change a couple of items that influence network lookups and performance. In the sidebar, go to Privacy and Security, and then Open Security. Here you'll find the option for Secure DNS. DNS is the service that translates a website's name into an IP address. If that translation is slow or unreliable, your downloads can stall right at the beginning. Turn on the Secure DNS option if it isn't already, and pick a fast, well-known provider from the list, such as Google or Cloudflare. These providers are widely distributed and often respond more quickly than default servers from some networks. This won't raise your internet plan's top speed, but it can reduce the time it takes to connect to the server and can improve the consistency of large downloads. If you're on a managed or school network that requires a specific DNS, keep their choice to avoid connection issues. Next, return to the sidebar and select System. In this area, make sure the setting called Continue Running Background Apps when Brave is closed is turned off. Disabling background apps stops extra processes from consuming CPU, memory, and sometimes bandwidth after you close the browser. While you're actively downloading, you'll keep Brave open anyway, but this change helps keep your machine lean between sessions, so future downloads get more of the resources they need as soon as you start them. While you're here, turn on Memory Saver. Memory Saver frees up resources from inactive tabs, prioritizing the tab you're actually using, including the one handling your download. By reducing memory pressure, your system is less likely to throttle tasks or swap to disk, which can indirectly improve sustained download performance and overall responsiveness. That's it. You opened Brave, went into Security to choose a faster DNS provider, and tuned system settings to reduce background load and prioritize active tabs. Real-world download speed still depends on your connection and on the site you're downloading from, but these changes optimize what Brave can control. Give them a try the next time you download a large file and enjoy a smoother experience.